Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for ENA USDT trading pair with my customer request. Let's dive in. Guys, invalidation of idea we saw on Binance and on other exchanges, but on a Bybit, what we analyzed before, still in play. So on a Bybit, it was a little bit different listing prices. So we analyzed it before on the first video about ENA. Around here after listing, we work with that model. Here I posted the video and we landed even a little bit under than the best zone to buy. So this is the best zone to buy. This is the okay zone to buy. Now, after we pump it to the zone of fixation profit, so we got here, I remind you, if you skip the educational video, so here, this is a zone where you need to fix a profit. This one, we talk about swing trades. If you invest for long run, of course you can wait the all-time high, right? It was not a mistake to fix here profit and withdraw initial deposit. Of course, guys, don't try to catch exact top. Just better sell here at 94 cents and miss the potential extra unrealized profit like 40%. But not see how your gains going down minus 51%. Also, this is not a time to buy. Guys, of course, up to you. If that 94 cents is comfortable price for you to buy, you could buy, right? It's okay. You have to build a plan. I share my ideas, about this token. I skip it the ENA, I bought it ENA here and sold it around here. So I missed that right. Yes, sometimes we can make a mistake. It's okay. It's okay. You can't catch exact bottom for every single token and ride to the new all-time high and buy every single deep, sell every single top. Guys, it's just a myth from the influencer who show you that, I don't want to say the bad words on YouTube. So guys, don't be trapped with all of that fairy tales. Right? So work only with your own capital, with the realistic gains, with realistic targets. And now we come back and landed almost to the zone of interest again. So looks like we start from the double bottom on the daily. So for me, it looks like this one. So the next step, this is 45 cents, 41, 37.84, 27.6, 22.31. Exact numbers. So this is not something around here. No, we got exact number because this is we got a rule for that model and invalidation of this model if the token will dump on the listing price. What to do if the token will dump on the listing price? I highly recommend you go and check the video about a StarkNet. Link probably will be in description under this video, so you understand the logic what to do. For example, with StarkNet or with IEVO, if the chart looks like this one, and if we invalidate the idea. So you will understand the logic, what to do if some of your token drop lower than the listing price and invalidate the idea. So this was not a mistake to fix a profit. Do I believe that ENA will hit the new all-time high? Yes, definitely. With the Trump or without the Trump, with all of that stuff, so they accumulate the asset, I think they got allocation before, so they accumulated here. And I think some of their backs they distributed here, and maybe we'll buy them back in this block and in this block. Maybe if, ENA will drop to 27 cents, I will buy again. I will buy again and re-enter my position one more time. So I even will add alert. So it's going to be like a gift for me, of course, with a huge risk. If the ENA will drop now, like from this current price is 49 cents, 49%. Listen, please carefully. If, guys, because the people check some numbers and after that write in the comments, you waited that target and it won't happen. What do you will do now? So I build a plan. If the token, this speculative asset will drop to this zone of interest, I will buy this token for speculation. After 100% profit, I will withdraw my initial deposit and leave free tokens of another internet virtual fancy useless token. So this is my take. So now we're not so far from this block. Can it be the cup and handle? Of course, yes. Guys, we can find the million patterns. On a daily, it looks like double bottom. right? So global double bottom. So for cup and handle, we should stop it here around and pump higher. Do I believe we should go over the new all-time high? Yes. But I think we will end pretty bad with a stable coin of ENA. The same story can be like with Luna or USD or so. So just in case, guys, be careful with all of that moon boy stuff about the tokens. And always take a profit. The safety trade, I always repeat that after 100% withdraw my initial deposit and leave free tokens. So here, this is finally we higher, much higher. We're at almost over than 100%. We're in profit than that low, but we're in deeper accumulation on the weekly time frame. It's good. It's good. We are in the middle in direction, so capitulation, we can drop again to the bottom. What I don't like in the market mood, we are in still euphoria. Daily time frame. Here was a crazy accumulation. We formed that. That weren't see good time to buy. I bought the ENA pump, I fixed the profit and missed the crazy right. So sometimes it's happened. So this time it was a crazy signals to fix a profit. And take a look. You could catch exact top. So you start selling step by step. 62 after that at this block based on this strategy. 94 and exact top. This one. At a bounce, we don't see there any signal to sell because the main time to sell was here. Also, this was euphoria, total euphoria. Now we're in a capitulation. Last time you can track how we're playing out when we drop in capitulation zone on a gray color in the mode. So we can track everything by yourself. On direction, you saw the signal of accumulation. Trade on daily. Here, buy. So this is wells accumulate, pump. Here I'm out, take profit, sell, all this same period is sales, distribution. So this is buyback. So, but it's in intraday, weekly. Weekly is much more important. So this was a buy, take profit on this candle, let's take profit, sell, drop. No new signal to buy back or so. I will add alert. So maybe we'll set it triangle up. So it means its recommendation will be to buy back some token, take profit. Weekly time frame, no data because brand new token here. Fundamental value of the ENA, now it's 42 on the daily. Also, the good news, guy, for you. Take a look. This is order flow on the daily. We bounce and close all of that target. So we formed the same story. So this order flow, sooner or later, what we can't know the time. Is it possible to see something like this one and end of cycle? Yes. Is it possible to see something like this one? Yes. So guys, it's not about the game to be right or wrong. It's a game about to build a plan, what you personally will do if plan A, I do this. If plan B, I do this. So that's it, guys. So my plan is, I shared with you after listing on a second candle after listing, and I showed you all targets so you could track all of that targets. And here's once again, my zone of interest. So pretty simple, right? So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write us in a comment. What do you think about ENA now? And yes, guys, not in all videos, I showed you the to the moon targets. We work about where to accumulate. When we will be over the new all-time high, it's going to be the targets where to distribute. So guys, everything until we in this block and not hit the new all-time high, it's absolutely the same model. So if you want to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.